Cooking steak, Fiorentina style. Today we are cooking steak Fiorentina style. Instead of using sirloin we are however using pork neck steak. The idea is to take the Fiorentina cooking concept which focuses on keeping the ingredients to a minimum, and applying it to our pork steak. This way you can really taste the meat flavors. Ingredients: 1 pork neck steak per person. High quality extra virgin olive oil. 4 whole artichokes per person. 6/8 Lexina black olives per person. 1 garlic clove. Salt and pepper. A bowl of mixed lettuce. Preparation. First start by pat drying each side of the steak with a paper towel. Next, drizzle a little olive oil and massage it in the steak using your hands. The Novello olive oil made from Portina olives is especially suitable for this recipe as it elevates the meat flavors in an exquisite way. Heat the pan and wait a few minutes until it is very hot. Then you can put the meat in the pan and start cooking your steak. You want to cook it for roughly 6 minutes on each side. Once the steak is done, serve it on the plate and season with salt and pepper. In the same pan you used for cooking the steak, throw in the chopped garlic and the artichokes and olives. Drizzle a little olive oil and toss for a few minutes until slightly brown. Take off the heat, and serve in a bowl along with the steak and the salad. For the salad, I just drizzled the same olive oil and seasoned with salt and pepper. Tips: you can recreate this recipe using the exact cut used for the Fiorentina. You can also accompany this with some garlic crostini using a rustic bread. If you have a non-stick pan or better a grill pan, we suggest using that for cooking steak.